It's a 2015 Chrysler 200. Drive proud. Drive the all-American Chrysler 200. It's in a class of one. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, Uconnect with Bluetooth, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, sport suspension, and keyless enter and go. New Car Test Drive exclaims, the 200 took to some of our favorite driving roads like a cheetah chasing down a gazelle, changing pace, shifting its weight, gripping the ground, and staying on its line. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.